How to fix MetaTrader account login authorization failed issue. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix MetaTrader account login authorization failed issue. So if you're also having trouble with your login issue, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to devices settings. And once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see the option called apps. Now simply locate or simply search in for the MetaTrader application just like this. So I'll just search in for that. And once you're inside here, just scroll down and click on storage. Make sure you click on clear cache all and clear all the data from over here. And also head over to Play Store and simply search in for MetaTrader application as well. And always make sure that you have updated your application to its latest version. Now simply reopen the application. And now you can simply provide your login authorization or login credentials over here to authorize your login access just like this. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.